Hey everybody, Morgan, Aberdeen Sport Recreation. Just wanted to show you a little bit about the Honda's cab offering for the Pioneer 1000. One of the big features of any cab is the doors. And I want to show you that the Honda door is actually a two-panel door, so it's sound deadening and so forth, more like a car door. The fit is very nice on them. When they're adjusted properly, they're very nice fitting door. They also have a crank window. And there aren't a lot of cab options out there with any kind of a crank window. This is kind of a nice feature. Also, glass windshield offering. This allows you to run a windshield wiper. The hard plastic roof, which you can silence up very nicely. The rear window is a sliding glass component, like a small pickup window. Altogether, this makes a pretty nice cab. One of the features that they have improved on it since this came out is a spring assist on the doors. So where originally there were some people who have the wind get hold of the door and mess up the hinges, they put a coil spring right on the hinge pin down here, and that's really helped with it. Thanks very much for tuning in, and check us out at asrpowersports.com.